everybody, welcome back to our channel Math Techniques. As previously we were discussing about GST, today we shall see another concept of GST. GST is always calculated after discounts. Okay, so if a retailer or if dealer is giving a discount on a particular product, then the GST is applicable only after the discount is deducted from that MRP, that is that the dealer is charging. Okay, so we shall see some examples of interstate and intrastate GST after discount. Okay, so if in this case, in the first case here, we say that there is an intrastate transaction. Okay, so as I told you in my previous videos, intrastate means within the state. Okay, so if it is within the state, the central government and the state government equally share the taxes. So CGST and SGST is applicable. Okay, so if there is an intrastate transaction that's happening for a product which is MRP'd at 200 rupees, okay, and if the GST applicable is 12% and they ask and the discount is 30%, okay, they're asking you to find what is the GST that the dealer pays, that the government gets, both the state and the central government. So how do we calculate that? So first we find the discounted MRP. What is the discount that he gets a discount? He's getting a deal on this on the MRP, so he need not pay GST on the complete MRP. The MRP is 200 rupees in this case. He need not pay a GST on the complete complete MRP because he is getting a discount. So if he is getting a discount of 30%, okay, so it's 30 divided by 100 of 200. 200 rupees is the MRP. So we're finding the 30% discount that the dealer is getting. Okay, so it is 60 rupees, right? So as I told you previously, what is the you for finding the 30% of 200 rupees? How do you see? First you see what is the 10%. 10% you remove one decimal point, that is 20, and now you need 30%. So you need to triple time. You should multiply it 3 times. So 10 into 3, 30% is what that's what you will get. So 10% of 200 is 20. 20 into 3, 60. So 60 rupees is the GST that 60 rupees is the discounted MRP that he gets. Discount on the MRP that he gets. Okay, so what is the amount that MRP is 200. He's getting a discount of 60. So what is the total amount that he has to pay? 140 rupees. So the GST has to be paid on that 140 rupees only. Okay, I hope you're clear. And because this is intrastate, this is within the state, he has to pay, the dealer has to pay a CGST and a IGST. Okay, so they're saying the GST is 12%. As previously discussed, if the GST is 12% and if it is an intrastate, the state and the central government equally share the taxes, the GST. So 6%, 6% is what we have to calculate. So that's what is written here. CGST and SGST is applicable in this circumstance where it is an intrastate transaction. Okay, so if it is 6%, how do we calculate? 6% of 140 rupees only. Okay, not of the 200 rupees, because he's got a discount on that. Okay, so 6% of 140 he needs to pay, which amounts to 8.4 rupees. So 6% is for state central government. Again another 6% he pays to the state government. So 8.4 he has to pay a total amount of 16.8 rupees as GST. Okay, 8.4 rupees goes to the central government, 8.4 rupees goes to the state government. I hope you're clear on this. So this is how GST is calculated if there is a discount that is applicable. So here we saw about intrastate. Okay, when it comes to interstate, from one state to another, when you cross the border of a state, what is a GST that's applicable? IGST. Okay, integrated goods and services taxes is applicable, which is only given to the central government. It is not shared by the state government. Okay, so in the same thing, if this was a intrastate, if it becomes a interstate, when it crosses the state boundaries, you pay IGST. The same thing is applicable. So if a discount of 30% is applicable and the MRP is 200 and it is a interstate, it is crossing the state boundaries, what do you get? You have to pay directly 12%. If the GST applicable is 12%, you have to pay the complete 12% to the central government. So you find 12% of 140. That will come up to 16.8. Okay, so I hope you're clear on this. This is how the GST is calculated. So you have to see whether it is the interstate, which is crossing the boundaries of the state, or whether it is within the state, intrastate. So based on that, you have to calculate the GST, and the GST is calculated after the discount is given by the dealer. Okay, I hope you're clear on this. I will just move out of the screen so that you can see the full screen. You can pause at that and you can see the different steps that I have calculated. You can just have a look. At this point, you can just pause the video and you can see, so that it is more clear to you as to what are the steps that I have done. Here I have done for 16.8. I just did a small calculation here to get the 16.8. So how you how you can take the 12% by calculating just within 5 seconds, you will get this answer. Okay, otherwise you'll have to multiply 12 into 140 divided by 100. Not required. You can do this mental calculation which I did, like how I told you. First, if it is 12%, you first need to find out what is 10% of it. Okay, what is 10%? 14. Okay, but you need 12%. So if it is 12%, then we have to calculate 2 more percent. So I told you that if you remove 2 units, 2 decimal units, okay, that is 1%. If you remove 1, it becomes 10%. If you remove 2, it becomes 1%. So out of 140, you should again take out 1.4, 1.4, because you need 2%, not 1%. Okay, so this is 1%, this is 1%. So 2% plus 10%. So that gives you 12%. Okay, I hope you're clear with this. You can, if you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section below. And as recommended to you previously, please check our playlist so that you can see all the exercises in the form of introduction and then exercises. So you'll get a clear flow of the chapters that we have done. And if you have any doubts, please do comment on the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe for our channel, and we shall see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.